Kirstie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, join me as I take you for a tour around my home, all decorated for fall in 2019. Come on inside. I am so excited to entertain in our dining room this season. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, especially our corner shelves. The deep shape of the cabinets and the triangular shape of them make it such a challenge, but I feel like I'm finally starting to get the hang of decorating this tricky space. I actually have a video all about tips and tricks on how to decorate a corner cabinet, so if you're interested in that, I will link it in the description box below as well as in the cards above. I also shared my tablescape for this room. I will insert some clips of it to show you. I don't keep it set all the time, I just keep the centerpiece on the table, and that's a great way to keep a little bit of decor out without it being so impractical as having the entire table set all year round. Kitchen such a tricky place to decorate and make it look stylish and modern and tidy because it is such a workhorse of the home. It's definitely the center and the heart of our home. We have this table in here we sit at all the time. I love to cook, I cook a lot. So we're always in here as a family, sitting and chatting and cooking together. I've included a coffee bar, which I love how it turned out, especially my husband, because he is definitely the coffee addict in this house. And I will be sharing a video all about that very soon, so keep an eye out for it. And let me tell you, this is the neatest that this kitchen ever gets. We have a little baby, and like I said, I cook a lot, so there is usually just stuff everywhere all over this kitchen. There's usually a high chair in here. But overall, I am loving the kitchen this year. Let me know in the comments down below, is the kitchen the heart of your home, and do you like to cook? living room in my home has got to be my favorite place in the house. We've put a lot of work into this room and we spend a lot of time in here as a family, and it's just so cozy in here, especially in the winter with the way we've arranged the seating in here. It's great for conversation when you have friends or guests over, because all of the chairs face inward and speak to each other, but they all can also see the TV if we're having a movie night or something like that. And I love the work we've done on the back wall behind the TV with the farmhouse shelves. It's such a fun spot to decorate every season. I really look forward to it, and I'm always thinking of ways that I can switch it up. A really great way to change the look of your lounge room for any season is to switch out your cushions and your throws. Cozy textured pillows in the cooler months, and I also often work in at least a couple of seasonally appropriate accent cushions that I'll just keep out for fall or for spring and then put them away when the next season arrives. Thanks for joining me on a tour of my home, all decorated for fall in 2019. I certainly loved sharing it with you, and I hope you enjoyed having a little peek around my home. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video today. My name is Kirstie and I make videos all about home decorating, DIY, home tours, and simple tips and tricks videos. And I especially love to encourage others, especially you, my YouTube family, to decorate and make your spaces your own. If you liked what you saw today, I would love if you joined my YouTube family by clicking that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching today, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.